students, today we are going to solve few important problems that is related to polynomials. Okay, listen carefully. The question number 1 is degree of 4x power 4 plus 0 into x cube plus 0 into x power 5 plus 5x plus 7. What is the degree? We know that is highest power or highest exponent. Highest exponent actually x power 5. But 0 into x power 5, 0 only. And here also 0 into x cube, that is also 0. What is remaining? 4x power 4 plus 5x plus 7. In this, which is the highest power? Highest exponent 4. Then degree is 4. Clear students? The degree is 4. Here 0 into something totally 0. That's why we are not taking, that is only this 4x power 4 plus 5x plus 7. In that highest power is 4. That's why degree is 4. Now come to the degree of the 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial, nothing is there. That's why we can't define, that is not defined. And come to the question number 3. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree. Which degree? It's a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial degree is always what is 0. How it is possible? The degree of this one is 0. Why? It is just, I will explain, root 2 into x power 0. X power 0 value what is here? 1 only. Then root 2 into 1, that's 1. Root 2 into 1 is equal to what is? Root 2. Then what is the degree here? The degree is 0. Constant polynomial or root 2 polynomial degree is 0. Now come to the next question number 4. 0 of 2x plus 5. 0 of 2x plus 5. I know, I think how to do this one. 2x plus 5 equal to 0 you select. Okay. The x value find out. That is only 0. 2x is equal to transpose right side. It's a minus 5. X is equal to what is? Minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of given polynomial. So it's correct or not? Just verify. X value applying this. 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 cancel. Minus 5 plus 5. What is the answer? 0. That is the 0. Next, come to the question number 5. X power 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1. What is the remainder is asking. Just apply directly this value in this. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what is? Minus 1. This value applying this. In the place of x, what is? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 51 plus 51. Minus 1 whole power 51. How many times it is? It's an odd number. Then answer is only minus 1. Minus 1 here plus 51. 51 minus 1. Answer is 50. This is the remainder. Now students, question number 6. The given question is x plus 1 is a factor of these two. Is asking, is a factor or not? If it is 0, suppose after substituting x value, if you are getting 0, then it's a factor. Otherwise, it's not a factor. Verify it. X plus 1 is a factor. Factor is nothing but we know it is a 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what is? Minus 1. Apply this first equation. You can take as first one as p of x, assuming, and second one as f of x, I am assuming. Okay. Now, in first one apply here. P of x is nothing but x value what is? Minus 1. Minus 1 apply here. Minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. What is answer? It is a odd number. If odd number power is 3, then power is there, then answer is same. Minus 1 whole square, even number. It is plus and minus into plus, minus and plus. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is answer? 0. Yes. For first one, x plus 1 is a factor. Factor of p of x. First one done. Now come to the second one. What is second one is given? F of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Check it is correct or not. What is x value? Minus 1. Same value. Apply here. Minus 1 whole power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Here power is even number, then it is plus. Power is odd number, that's minus 1. 3 into minus 1, that's a minus 3. And second one, minus 1 whole square, so plus 1. 3 into 1, it is plus 3. Last one, minus into plus, minus, and last one again constant, same. Now, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What is answer here? 1. 1 does not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it's a factor. It's not equal to 0, it's not a factor. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of f of x. For first one it is a 0, it's a factor, and second one it's not a factor. We'll go for question number 7 now. If p of x is equal to x square minus 2 root x plus 1, find p of 2 root 2. That means x value is what is given here? 2 root 2. That is given. In the place of x, what we have to apply? 2 root 2 apply here. P 2 of root 2, that is p of 2 root 2 is equal to, in the place of x I am applying 2 root 2. Apply here 2 root 2 whole square. This 2 root 2 no change. 2 root 2 into x value, what is? 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay. Now, open bracket here. Two terms are, one is rational number, one is irrational number. What is the 2 square value here? 4. And root 2 square, we know that root 2 whole square is 2 only. Square root cancel, that's a 2. Next, here multiply again same way. First rational numbers, 2 into 2, 4. Again root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, it is root 4. Root 4 value we know it is 2. Again same. And last one no change, plus 1. 4 2s are 8. Here also same. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 8 cancel. What is answer? 1. Therefore, p 2 root 2. P into 2 root 2 is equal to, in the place of x, what we have applied? 2 root 2 is equal to what we got finally? 1. Now we will go for the question number 8. If x plus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus kx, find k. X plus 1 is a factor of 2x square plus k, find k. X plus 1 is a factor, that means x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to what is? Minus 1. This value apply in this, in given polynomial. Apply directly 2 into minus 1 whole square plus k into minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Then minus 1 whole square, what is? Plus 1 only. 2 ones are 2. Here minus into plus minus, k is equal to 0. Apply one side, take right side, minus k is equal to transpose is minus 2. Minus cancel, then k is equal to what is answer? K value is 2. If, question number 8, if 49x square minus b is equal to 7x plus 1 by 2 into 7x minus 1 by 2. Find b. Here missing term, what is here? B value we have to find. Okay. Now right side simplify. It's looking like a x plus y into x minus y. A plus b into a minus b model. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. X square minus y square. X plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square. Apply RHS side here. What is 7x plus 1 by 2 into 7x minus 1 by 2. A plus b into a minus b, or x plus y into x minus y. X square, what is x value? 7x. 7x whole square, and second term, in the place of y, what is? 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 2 whole square. Open bracket, 7x square is 49x square, and here 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Now compare to this one. What is given here? LHS side, 49x square minus b. Observe children here. First term is equal to same 49x square, 49x square. Here exactly minus also same. Then what is the b value here? b is equal to 1 by 4. b value is 1 by 4. Now come to the next question number 9. The coefficient of x in the expansion of x plus 3 whole cube. It's looking like a plus b whole cube formula. Open it, first expand it, then what is the coefficient of x we have to find. Okay, a plus b whole cube formula, write first here. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. This is the formula, identity. Okay, now open exactly like this. X plus 3 whole cube is equal to a cube means here x cube, b cube is 3 cube plus 3 into a square is what is here? X square. 3 into x square, b value is what is 3 plus 3b square. B square again 3 square into a is what is here? X. Okay, x cube no change. And here 3 cube is what is? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And next 3 3s are 9x square plus last term 3 square, first 3 square value 9, 9 3s are 27x. Now observe children, what is asking actually here? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. What is x here? Here x cube, not possible, here also not possible. Then what is the last one? X, 27x. Then is asking coefficient means before x. What is their number here? 27. Then coefficient of x is equal to what is here? 27. Coefficient means what is before x, whatever is the number, that is, if nothing is there, 1. Already we have 27, that's why we are taking 27 as a coefficient of x.